Hi guys, this is my third vlog. I just did my first and now I'm doing my third. So, there's a little adventure. Oh, hi vlog. Okay, so that was my grandma behind me. And this is a beautiful place because one time we played a little game. It was Candyland. And now, this is not a campsite. This is not a campsite, guys. It's not a campsite. Look, I don't care if there's a fire. It's not a campsite, okay? So, I'm gonna see guys in my third vlog. So keep watching and stay positive.